find a kid to ride a KTM 50 for us. We're looking for about a 5-year-old to ride KTM 50s. Boy, I wish we could find one. This is in the middle of nowhere. What is this? Hey kid, what are you doing out here, kid?
What?
What are you doing out here, kid?
I'm trying to find a good bike, a bicycle bike.
We found him. I think we just found him. We found a kid. Hop in. I got a KTM 50, boy. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave what?
Dave Autos.
What's your favorite number?
5.
What? You mean tell me I got a KTM number 5 sitting at home waiting for a boy like you? How old are you? Oh my gosh. It's on. It's on. Well, son, you're at the right place at the right time.
Again.
Let's go. Go to a seat of proliferation, mankind would know that. Into an inharmonical, to an inharmonical. Consciousness has purpose and we cannot change it. Though you think you're in control, though you think you're in control. Questions and procedures tonight, a testament of our helplessness. There's no vestige of a beginning, no prospect of an end. When we all disintegrate, it will happen again, yeah. Time is so like all minds of the hordes, but they can't explain why it should slip away. Explain why it should slip away. History of Detroit, the first of our curiosity. Here we are, rooted in the present day, rooted in the present day. Questions and procedures tonight, a testament of our helplessness. There's no vestige of a beginning, no prospect of an end. When we all disintegrate, it will happen again, yeah. If you came to conquer, you'll be king for a day. But you do it and do it when you fade away. Leaving with you here, making your path is clear. We have no control. We have no control. We have no control. We do not understand. You have no control. You are not in command. We have no control. You have no control. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.